today I'm gonna make a very special dish. It's a dish you don't eat every day, you know. This is for lamb lovers. All right, lamb lovers. All right, guys. Are you ready for that? Or before that, I want to say today's Valentine's Day. All right, happy Valentine's for everybody out there. All right. Also, I get already my Valentine's present. All right. So, all right, let's start. Okay, guys, this is a lime, right? One lime. So I'm gonna slice here. Very good. So let me do this with the lamb. All right, one lemon. Wow, looks good. This lamb looks very good. So you squeeze. Has to be very juicy. All right, that's one. That's another one. All right. You guys can see here, I make some holes here, all over the place. Right? It's a holes all over the place. You see that? So the one lime. So now, that's the next step. We're gonna do this. So you can just do like this. You know? All right. Next step. Next step, we're gonna go with the salt. All right. This is 3 tablespoons of salt. I like this salt. All right. So the guys can use whatever you want. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna pour all over. All over the place. Okay. On the back. All right. Looks good. All right. Looks good, guys. All right. Next step. Next step, we're gonna go with the garlic. I have the whole head of garlic. See, I make the holes. You have to make your holes. All right. You put just a little bit, sprinkle just a little bit, not much, inside the lamb. Right? See that? The garlic. See that? The garlic goes inside. Not much, just a little bit. Right? Each hole. So the flavor. For the flavor. That's right. Right. So after this, you get the rest of the garlic. You get it everywhere. Right? So this is gonna make the juice. It's gonna come together. It's gonna taste very good, guys. All right. Done. All right. Next step. Next step, we're gonna go with the Sazon. Yes, Sazon. I love Sazon. Very good flavor. I have 2 packets of Sazon. So what you're gonna do, the Sazon, you're gonna go back to the hole, all right, and sprinkle it. See that? A little bit, not much. That goes inside, all right. So the flavor penetrates very well. All right. So looking good. After that, you can put that all over the place. All right, that's one. This is the second one. Second one, you go just all over the place like this. Back. The back. See that? All right, looks good. Looks good to me. Okay, next. Next, it's chicken board. All right, chicken board. So it's 2 packets. So I love to cook with this. So you go, see that the hose? Go back to the hose. All right, that's gonna bring the flavor together. It's gonna taste good. It's gonna taste very good, guys. Look at this. Wow. And that's what I'm gonna eat tonight. Yes, we're gonna eat that tonight. The other package, what you do is just goes all over the place. Just sprinkle all over. All right. You can do that here too. It's looking good. Looking good. Okay, next step, we're gonna go with the, I have here 2 green pepper. 2 green pepper. What you do is you just pour all over the place. Okay, just go all over the place. That's gonna bring the flavor to your plate. Alright? Alright, that's 2, that's 1 red pepper. I love the colors. Look at that. See the colors mixing together? Very good. Okay, next step, I have here 3 onions. Alright, 3 small onions. Doesn't have to be big. Alright, just bring the flavor together and the color. Alright, you guys don't like the color? Look at this, how nice it looks. Very good. Alright, okay, it's looking good. So now I have a half bunch of scallion. Alright, that's just a half, you don't need to put the whole thing. Okay. Alright, very good, it's looking good. So now I have here 2 bunch of cilantro. Alright, so you just pour all over the place. See that? Wow, that's looking good. That's looking very good, guys. Alright, very good. Alright, next step. Next step, I have here, I have a tablespoon, 1 tablespoon of oregano. Yes, that's oregano. What you do is your hand just goes all over the place. You see? You season very good. Alright, next step, I have here 1 tablespoon of black pepper. Alright, I love black pepper. If you guys don't like, you don't have to use. So you do the same way. Alright, looks good. Looking good, guys. So now, what I'm gonna do here, next step, it's, I have here 3 slices of bacon. See, guys? The bacon, what you do is you put the top of 1, 2, 3. Alright, so now what we're gonna do here is I have the bay leaves. Alright, I have them all in pieces, but you can put like 3 pieces. You see that? 3 or 4. Alright, so I have in pieces, so that's enough. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna get my foil. I'm gonna cover. Alright, looking good. Alright, make sure it will cover very well so the air doesn't, no. Alright, guys. And this is gonna take about 4 to 5 hours. Alright, maybe more. You guys have to check. Alright, so now I have to drop in my oven. And let's put this baby there, guys. Look at this. Alright. Take at least 5 hours or more. Alright, guys. And I see you soon. Hey guys, alright. Time to check. Alright? Time to check the food. Alright? And happy Valentine's, everyone. Alright? Let's do it? Okay. Alright, smell good? It smells good, guys. Should be heavy. Yeah. Alright. Let's check this baby. Alright. Okay. Go. Whoa, it's getting ready. It's getting ready, guys. Look at this. Alright. So now you paste See, looking good. It's looking good. It smells so good. All right, I'm gonna cover, but don't be scared. Don't be scared, guys. All right, let's cover this. Let's cover this. All right. Cover, put back, and it's almost ready. All right, I think like in half the hour. All right, it's gonna be ready. Let's back. All right. Okay. Very good. All right, guys. See you in a little bit. Hey, guys. All right. Very good. Oh, woo. That's good. Looks good. Looks good. Looks good. Looks good. Guess what? It's ready. My lamb is ready. All right. Fantastic. Are you guys ready to see this? All right, let's go. All right, but don't be scared. Don't be scared, guys. All right, let's do it. Woo, this is heavy. All right, guys. Whoa. All right. Hey, guys. Took me 6 hours. All right, took me 6 hours to do this. Let's put this here. 6 hours. All right, that looks good. All right, so, all right, let's try. Let's try. Let's try. Very soft. Very soft. All right. Right. That's it. Right, very good. This is very good, guys. The taste is melting in my mouth. Right? So, another one. Hey guys, happy Valentine's, right? Love you all.